Hello and welcome to the mathleague.org YouTube channel. My name is Joeli, and today we will be going over a problem from Sprint 12127, an elementary school test from 2021. This problem was number 27 on our test. In it, we are trying to find the number of days it takes an assembly line with a varying number of workers to build 7 electric cars. We are told in the problem statement that 3 workers can build 5 cars in 30 days. So a natural first step would be to find how many days it takes 1 worker to build 1 car. How can we do this? Well, if we know that 3 workers take 30 days to build 5 cars, then 3 workers building 1 car will take a fifth of that time, or 6 days. And if it takes 3 workers 6 days to build 1 car, then 1 worker building 1 car will take 3 times that amount of time, or 18 days. So it takes 1 worker 18 days of work to build 1 car. The workers in this assembly line are trying to build 7 cars. So if there were just 1 worker working on this project, it would take them 18 times 7, or 126 days to do it. So that means that 126 days of work have to go into this project from all of the workers to finish the project. Now, the number of workers on the assembly line changes over the course of the project. For the first 5 days of the project and for the final 7 days of the project, there are 5 workers. So there are 12 total days where there are 5 workers. And during those 12 days, there's a total of 5 times 12, or 60 days of work done. So in 12 days, there's 60 days of work done by these 5 workers. We need this 126 days of work to be put in. So that leaves us 126 minus 60, or 66 days of work left to do. And we know that 2 of the workers leave this assembly line, and the rest of this work is done by 3 workers. So this is the other, let's say, section of the work. It's the portion of the work done by the 3 workers instead of by 5. There are 66 total days of work done by them, and each employee does 1 day of work by themselves. So these 66 days of work are done in 66 divided by 3, or 22 days. Let's just add on to that it was with 5, or not with 5, with 3 workers. So there are 12 total days done with 5 workers, and there are 22 days done with 3 workers. So in all, we have 12 days with 5 workers plus 22 days with 3 workers, which gives us a total of 34 days. This is the solution, and we are now done with the problem. There were 12 days done with 5 workers on the assembly line, and 22 days of work done with 3 workers on the assembly line. A total of 34 days were put into the work. That is our solution. We are done. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.